friends, running kimono, happy Easter morning. Okay, so I'm going to keep this brief and to the point because I know a lot of you appreciate that approach. If I were you, I would not go shopping this morning over at Walgreens. Digital coupons, register rewards are not printing, register rewards are not being accepted. It is not a good morning. And it's like the last week we were having issues with this, and this cold has come into this week. So if your store is super tough and everything's a hard and fast no, and they're going to give you a difficult time, you have the option to, we're going to talk about an option, especially if you have register rewards that are expiring, but it is just not working. Dawn's deals headed out first thing this morning, and it was just the same thing as last week, and she's really upset about it. She's in the Midwest. I'm in the Midwest. I might head out in a couple and just buy some paper and then see what happens. But this is tough stuff, and I think I have about $20 of register rewards in my wallet. I have to use them this week, so I'm going to try something. So this stupid screen, I made a video on this yesterday. It's still happening. So you scan a register reward and it says rejected coupon summary. This is part of some sort of thing that they're trying to fix. But for some of us, I think it's been a week. For other people, it's been like a week and a half. So it takes them, 14 days to fix this? It doesn't really add up quickly. So yesterday, I was floating on the internet and I said, you know what? I'm going to try a customer chat. Did speak to a rep who kind of knew what she was talking about, and I said, hey, it says rejected coupon on the pin pad. When will this be fixed? The Walgreens rep said it is probably because the system is not working right, or the code in that it is scanning was not entered into the system properly. And this says faux right to scan, so some sort of typo there, but just an issue. And I said, hey, it was just not one register reward. And then the honesty came out. It is being worked on now. We do not have an estimated time when this will be fixed completely. I do apologize. And then in my stupid, what do I do if it doesn't scan and the register rewards are expiring? Because I was very adamant, what do I do with register rewards that are expiring, especially if you're at a store that everything's a hard and fast no. And she said, go to the store, make the purchase, and then contact us back, and we will reward your account. So what that means is that, say at my store, I'm trying to buy some Cottonelle today, and I have a $5 register reward that, it's going to give this stupid, goofy message. I would get back in touch with them and say, hey, I used a $5 register reward, and they would just credit you $5 of Walgreens cash. So you know what I would do if you have a bunch of expiring ones, and I know that a lot of you are not going to like this, but just go buy some paper products, keep a tally of it. If your store is going to be awful with you and say, we're not scanning anything, bleh, fine, no problem. Just hang on to them and call customer service. And if they give you the Catalina information, say, no, I do not want more of these register rewards. I would like Walgreens cash. Say, hey, this has been going on for a week at my store. I really need help. These are expiring. This is my money that you guys gave me for a promotion. Please make this right. And they should. You might be on hold with customer service a little bit longer because there's a lot more people with issues. But the Scott or the Cottonelle, either one, A or B, absolutely, these are the ones that I would do. I have 4. I think I have to go through all of them and see when they're expiring, but I'm in the same boat as you guys, so I'm going to have to get in touch with customer service. If not, a wonderful manager will key them in. We'll have to wait and see. I can't stress this enough, guys. Don't start making stuff up, saying, oh, I had 7 register rewards that were all expiring. Because they can go back and see all your purchases that were making those register rewards, and if you do not have it in your account, bonanza, they got you. So just be super honest. Honesty is the best policy. But there it is. I chatted with a rep, and that's what they're explaining. If you watch yesterday's video, I will link at the end all the phone numbers and how to chat. It's explained. So this video, I'm going to wait on all of this because Dawn did say that $4 back when you buy 2 Dove, not printing, and we need these things to print. The $3 back for the foamies probably also not printing, or the 4 back when you buy 2. So I would put pause in this because digital coupons are not coming off. Register rewards are not printing. It's the greatest hits of a system not working. And I know a lot of you, because I do read my Instagram comments, a lot of people are like, I'm just going to go to CVS. It's so much easier, or Rite Aid. And You know what? I agree. So if you have register rewards, you know what to do. Go buy something and then contact customer service and they should credit you $5, $4, whatever it is in Walgreens cash. And for this, put a pause on it. When the system is back online and working to its maximum capacity, potential, whatever you want to say, I will make a video and let you guys know. I will go and try this stuff out in the store. But Dawn's saying, hey, she's not working, and she said that last week, and she was absolutely right. So, guys, sorry. Stay home for Easter. This is a mess today. I will catch you guys in the next one. And yes, I will continue to chat with customer service, even if it's like today's announcement, there's no announcement. And I will post all of that on my Instagram. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.